Hello, we meet again at Follow the Best channel. In this video just only educational purposes between Christians and Muslims. And this time Mr. Ahmad ex-Muslim will give many Muslims educations the truth about Jesus Christ. Now, let's look at what Muslims said to Ahmad ex-Muslim so we can learn the truth from them. So enjoy watching video. Please share, comment and subscribe this channel. God bless you.
Rhoozo, are you Muslim?
Yeah. So what was the question?
The question is, sister, I think you study in a school, right? You're learning about the scientific in a school, even maybe in high school. But there Allah did big mistake. He said, first of all, He created the earth, which means only the rock and the dust, and for 2 days. And after 2 days, which means 2000 years, our time, after 2 days, He created the mountain, trees, fruit for 4 days, which means 4000 years. After that, He jumping to sky, and the sky, nothing, just only like smoke. And after that, He thinking to create the stars and the planets. So my question to you, sister, how can the trees and the fruit living 2000 years without sun and the moon? Go ahead.
Number one, you're not saying everything in order.
What?
You're not saying everything in order. You said Allah created.
I prove it from Quran,
sky.
sister. Do you have on Quran in home?
Yes, I do.
Can you
But
open
you
it, chapter 41, Surah Fussilat?
You show me since you have the book.
Okay. But I'll just try, because I show it a lot of times. Nobody have an answer. Let's go to read it together. Okay?
Yeah.
Surah Fussilat, we start from verse 9. Fussilat. Verse 9. Can you read it, please, if you don't mind?
Ask them, O Prophet, how can you disbelieve in the one who created the earth in 2 days? And how can you set up equals with Him? That is the Lord of all worlds.
Let's go to next. Verse 10.
He placed on the earth 4 mountains, standing high, showed His blessings upon it, and ordered all means of sustained totally 4 days exactly for all who ask.
Let's go to next. 11.
1 second.
Yeah, we will come back. We will come back, because your Allah, He said here, He created first the earth for 2 days, which means only the rock and dust. And after that, He created the mountain and everything in the earth for 4 days, which means 2 days there and 4 days be 6 days. And your Allah jumping to sky and nothing in the sky like smoke. And He asking the earth and the sky coming to Him. And after that, in 12, He thinking to create 7 heavens for 2 days, and He created the stars like a lamb. My question to you, sister, before your Allah jumping to sky, He created everything in the earth. Mountain, trees, fruits, for after that 2000 years, he created the stars, which means sun and moon and everything. So how can the fruit and the trees and fruit and the trees living 2000 years without sun? Go ahead, sister, if you have an answer.
Okay, so let's get one thing straight. Hello?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Go ahead.
So let's get one thing straight. He is the Almighty. He is the All-Knower. So he is a powerful. The star and the moon and the sun you're talking about, that's for humans' brain and mind. So what God does or what he creates, you can already see the mountain. You can see yourself. Who created you?
Is that his answer?
You didn't pay attention to the question. You need to listen carefully to the question. The question is, how did this everything on Earth, like the trees and everything, survive for 2,000 years without basically the sun? That's the question.
How did you?
Yes.
Okay, how did you
Show
survive?
her
on
the
this earth?
2,000 years, bro. Show her the verse of a day is 1,000
Okay.
years.
Listen. How did you survive in this world for?
No, you
however many
listen.
years
Did you
we
catch
are?
the question? You need to focus.
Um,
Did you catch the question? Because if you didn't listen to the question, you can't answer, right?
but it looks like you have no knowledge or you don't want to hear the truth.
Can
So
you
just
can
let
you
me
repeat
ask.
the question? Can you repeat the question? Let's see if you
Who
focus
have no
and
knowledge?
hear the
Me,
question.
sister, who have no knowledge? Me or
That
Allah?
guy, the
Who?
guy that's speaking.
So who has no knowledge? Me or Allah?
I can't
أخي ديفيد
answer
هي ما
Allah,
استمعت
so that's a
لسؤالك
ridiculous question.
So
قطعيا.
the question, the sister, again, the question is, your Allah in chapter 41, start from verse 9 to 12, give me the instruction of creation. He said, he tell me how he created the world, right? He starts from the beginning. He created first of all for 2 days, which means 2,000 years our time. 1 day in Allah time, and 1,000 year in our time, right? He said he start create the earth for 2 days, which means 2,000 years, create the rock and the dust. And after that, the verse number 10, he said, after that he created the mountain and everything on the earth,
What
like
is mountain? Sorry. What is
Jibal, mountain,
Mountain.
Jibal, mountain.
What is mountain? I don't know what you mean.
You
Mountain.
don't know what a... Yeah, a mountain. Like
So,
whatever.
sister, you play, now you try to play on the word, right?
No, you just, brother. The
So
thing is, you wanna
everybody,
talk, but you don't
sister,
wanna hear.
look, sister, everybody understands 100% what we're talking about, but you don't have an
They
answer.
do. I don't. Why are you getting mad? We're just having
So,
a
do you
conversation. Why you so
understanding your
angry?
Allah language, sister?
But do you understand that we're just human beings that
Do
are
you,
having discussion?
yeah, do you
So why are you
understanding
getting
my
mad?
question too clear? Do you understanding your Allah language?
But you're not making sense. The question you're
He's
asking
أخي
asking
ديفيد
you, do you
how.
understand
نزلها ناقصة
He's
العقل.
asking, do you understand Arabic? Do you know Arabic?
So, do you
No,
know
I don't know
Arabic?
Arabic.
So your
No, I
Allah
don't.
language is Arabic because your Allah, he don't understand any languages, only specifically Arabic. How
So
can you
that's why.
understanding your Allah?
Okay,
نزلها
that's why
ديفيد.
there's a.
كيف
You
شوي?
said it's Arabic, the language. You're saying the Arabic
Yes.
is the only language that God knows.
No,
But
I don't
brother,
know. Show me one verse. Your Allah understanding all the languages. Just show me one verse.
you can.
But
See,
I can
but
show
that's the
you
thing.
3
You can
verses.
pray.
Sister,
You
I
can
can
pray
show
to
you. I
God
can
with
prove it
whatever
now.
God, with
Sister.
whatever language.
Sister Rajdo, I can prove it for you now. Your Allah speaking only Arabic language.
But what is your point? I'm confused.
And
You're
brother
not
My
saying
Ahmad,
point,
Ahmad, doesn't he
point
make
for you.
mistakes in Arabic too? He makes a lot of mistakes
He
in
made
Arabic.
a lot of mistakes. But my question to you, brother, sister, because when I asked you, you said, what you mean mountain? You thinking you like I didn't understand your language. No, it's too clear. Everybody understand it. So my
Yeah, but
question
these
to you,
people they speak your
your
language. I
Allah.
don't speak your language. I don't
No,
speak your language.
so
They
you have to
understand.
learn your
They
Allah
speak your
language,
language.
sister. You have to
I
learn
don't
your
have to
Allah
learn.
language.
I don't
You have to.
It's
How
not
can you
math.
understand your Allah?
It's not math. It's not math.
No,
It's
it's math.
English.
No, it's math. You
It's
have to
not.
understand your
It's not.
Allah. How can you
God didn't say I
know?
have to know Arabic.
Because the Quran in English is a fake. It's not same Arabic.
The Quran is fake.
It's fake in English. It's fake. Yes, fake
No,
translation.
it's not.
Is
No,
I
it's
can
not.
prove it for you. Go to check it
But
and
what?
come back.
But let me. I don't need to
But
check
my
anything.
question,
But
but
what
my
I
question
wanna.
to you, sister, do you think the Creator
But you.
can
But
did
you're not even letting me
mistakes?
answer the question, and you just getting angry for no reason.
No.
So how about you just wait for 1 second and hear the answer before you just go on and on and on about other stuff? You talking about God. You say Allah doesn't understand any other language other than Arabic. You say too many things in one go.
So let's go back
what
to
is your
our
question?
my topic is your Allah gave it me the instruction how he create the world. He start create the earth like just only dust and rocks for 2000 years. After that, for 4000 years, create the mountain and trees and the fruit. And after 2000 years, he's thinking to create the sun. My question to you, how can the fruit and the trees living without sun 2000 years? Is mistake or not? Go ahead.
No, okay. No, number one, it's not a mistake. How is the tree living without sun? It's not a mistake. Let's stop you there. Number one. Number two.
So how is not mistake? Do you think
asked
the
your
tree
question,
can living without sun 2000 years?
You asked the question.
Yeah, but I didn't get the answer.
You're not waiting.
Answer. How
You just
can
want to
trees
hear yourself.
listen? How can trees and plants live for 2000 years
I'm talking to
without
one.
any
I'm
sun
talking to one
rays?
person. It's one-on-one
You
conversation.
should know if you went to school and you
It's
got basic biology class, if you paid attention and you were focusing to the teacher, you should know that trees, plants, fruits, everything that is alive, even humans or whatever, they need sun. Without sun, life ceases to exist. So how can life, especially the plants and the trees, how can they stay alive for 2000 years without any sun? That's the question. Answer. Stop belly dancing like Shakira. Shakira, la 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 la
learn
la
how to
la
speak
la.
English properly. Like
So
you have a
answer,
really
answer.
terrible accent.
Let's
I'm
answer
not
now.
talking to you.
No,
You learn
I'm talking
you have
you
a terrible
speaking.
accent. Your Allah doesn't know Arabic. So don't go there. Don't run,
No,
don't run.
don't speak to me. I'm talking to
So,
David, not
so
you.
Answer, okay,
sister
answer to David then. That's his question. Answer to David.
Rashto.
Please move to the
Do you
left. I'm talking
think
to David.
you have an
So
answer about
David,
my
do you want me
question?
to answer your question, or you have
Yes,
a lot of security to
my
speak behind me?
question, yes, sister, stop insulting the people and you are very welcome. I'm just asking
No,
you.
I'm talking
I
to
just,
you. So
no,
why is he
you said
speaking?
learn English properly after that come talk. He can teach
No,
you the English, sister.
no, he can't. Where
He
is he?
can. He can
Where is
teach
he
Allahu
living?
Akbar too.
But you don't even
I
make
can.
sense. I'm talking to
Look my
you.
language. Look my language. A broken language English, but I can teach Allahu Akbar English because you don't understand English. Let's go to my topic. My question to you, sister.
You're not. For me to even answer the
My
question,
yeah,
you need to
my
say.
question to
I need
you,
to know if
sister.
I'm answering to you, David, or if I'm
So,
answering to
do you
this
have an
Ahmad.
answer
Number
before you say bye to camera? Do you have an answer, sister?
The answer is the way
Okay.
you're living on this planet, the way everything else in this earth is living. That's how everything was living, because God is the most powerful, and there's nothing
So,
that can be
No
changed
answer.
about that. It doesn't need a sun. There's no
where's
reason
the
for a sun
answer?
for
Where's the
everything to
answer?
go.
I'm
There's no
asking,
reason for
do you
there's
think,
no reason
do you,
for you to say
okay,
we need a sun.
sister, do you think the fruit and trees can live 2,000 years without sun? Yes or no?
They can live billion years without sun if God says so.
Oh, mashallah. Thank you for request, sister. I respect you. I love you in humanity. You are my sister.
My Allah guide you. Bye.
Take care. Bye. Bye. خلي. Let's